This video is made to show the importance of the periodic maintenance. Would you like to keep your motorcycle in good condition for your safety and comfort? Have you ever faced this kind of problem? Welcome to Honda Service Center. Noise from rear wheel might be caused by some different factors, such as drive chain. Our technician will inspect thoroughly. This symptom is caused by the stretched drive chain. The drive chain is the main part that transfers engine rotation power to the rear wheel through the drive sprocket and driven sprocket. If the chain is wavy, rusty, or damaged, please get the motorcycle inspected at a Honda service center. The drive chain should be checked by following the periodic maintenance schedule in the owner's manual, based on each model. Replacement time takes about 30 minutes. If the periodic maintenance schedule is not followed, there will be abnormal noise from the rear wheel. Continuing to use a worn-out drive chain can result in damage to related parts, such as sprockets. In the worst case, the rear wheel of motorcycle may be locked and unable to stop safely because the drive chain has come off the sprocket. We suggest you to have your motorcycle checked by following the owner's manual. Visit Honda Service Center, and we recommend genuine parts to maintain product performance and your safety.